Kring, kring, kring.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. This is Empire Hotel. This is Louis Henry Galang speaking. How may I help you?
Want to have a reservation on your hotel?
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name?
Princess Lee.
May I know when are you going to arrive in our hotel, ma'am?
I will arrive on March 1 to 3, 2021.
Okay, ma'am. What room do you prefer to book?
I want the deluxe room for only one person.
Ma'am, noted. Do you have a special request?
I don't have.
Can you repeat your room reservation, ma'am?
Okay, sure.
Okay, ma'am. You are Princess Lee. You will arrive in our hotel on March 1, 2021 and depart on March 3, 2021. You reserve a deluxe room for only one person. Are those informations right, ma'am?
Yes, those informations are right.
Okay, ma'am. We will update you if there are changes in your reservation. Thank you for calling